I am not. Please don't tell me my AirPod died. Like, this is the wrong time for you to die. You know this. Why are you doing this to me? My life is falling apart.
Me feeling like the ocean under the wave now. No time to be here now. It's time to get brave now. Wine to the bass sound. Wine to the bass sound. Wine to the bass sound. Wine to the bass.
What's good, everybody? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel Voice back again with another awesome, amazing, exciting video. So in my previous video I told you guys that I was getting, you know, some stuff. I'm getting this is really just gonna be an unboxing video. I am just gonna be unboxing my LED lights that I just received from Amazon. Yup. So let's get right into the video. If you guys have not already followed me on my social medias, please go ahead and follow me, AngelVoice_100 on both Twitter and Instagram. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, it just came. It literally just came. So I gotta open it and everything. Do not judge me how I'm opening it. You guys can't see me for a reason. You know what? We got this. You guys do not want to know when I'm opening this way, because you're just gonna be like, you is a weird ass little girl, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, I know I am, and I ain't had no scissors at the moment. Okay, don't judge me. Anyway, ooh, this is big. LED lights, ooh. From next to Lumi. Go to box. Okay, thank you for your purchase. You welcome. I gave y'all money and you happy. How to read? I don't really care how to reach y'all, but thank you. Okay, we got a little packet of instructions that I'm probably not gonna read. A lot of stuff in here actually. Pretty good. I don't know, this little thingy-majigger, it'll probably come in handy, but right now I don't know what the hell that is. We got the cord, and then we have the LED light. Ooh, these are some PG voice nice promotion. I like. But it was supposed to be better. Okay, anyway. Ooh, that's scary. We got 1, we got 2, and we got 3. Okay, they hooked me up, y'all. So it came with 3 of these things. I have no clue what these are. I don't know. But once I install them, I guess we'll figure that out. Now we got these thingy-majiggers. I have no clue what these are. I don't know what they are. But okay. And then we got this. Yeah. Then we have, of course, the remote. Little itty-bitty thing. Itty-bitty now. Okay. Then we have the thingamajig that you, yeah. Then we have, ooh, these are the connectors and stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, I really want to see if these are flexible. I always wanted to see if these were like, turns, you feel me? And then they got the little straight pieces. They hooked me up. They was like, this is just gonna be some stuff. Let's help a sister out. Okay, and then they have these. I'm trying to figure out what this is. And I'm figuring, oh, you know what I think it might be? I might need those instructions. Yeah, you don't think about using those instructions. I think these are adhesive for like the back of these. Like, I guess when you like, cause you know you're not gonna be here forever. Shoot, they just hooked the sister up. Like, I'm gonna have to actually find out how to contact y'all. That's actually pretty. I'm trying to see if the other side peels. Yes, it does, y'all. I've never gotten one like this, so like that kind of surprised me. But this came with it, so like, oh, I love this. So like, you know what I'll probably do? I will probably, since I'm not gonna be here, so I'm gonna be moving. You know what I mean? So I'm moving soon. So it don't make sense to like stick the back of, you know, these onto it. So I'm gonna stick this onto the back of this for now, and then stick it on, and we're gonna call it a day. You feel me? I'm smart. Anyway, let's go get those instructions, okay? Okay, show me how to put the. I already know how to do that, even though last time I did it didn't work. Anyway, user manual. Serve. And please make sure the surface smooth, dry, clean. Do not stick a LED strip on the surface such as needed. Let's see. Let's get into the biz. That was so cool. It's showing you the app that you can get. I already have the app because I have LED lights already, but I wanted more because those ones were whack. So yeah, I got those. That should be enough to cover like my whole bottom, because I'm putting it like on the ground in my bedroom and then like around the doors. So that should be enough, honestly. So cute. Okay. Anyway, y'all, that is really that's the end, okay? That's the basics, okay? So unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be putting the link in the description down below for where I got these LED lights from. So I hope you guys can get some and enjoy them. I will be posting a video on the installation and how it's gonna look, but my room has to be clean for that. So yeah, we don't fix that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me. Comment. Hit that notification bell. Like. Share. And without further ado, all negative comments will be ignored, so don't waste your time. Peace. Keep